So good evening, folks. I'm just going to fill up the GS with some go-go juice, and I'm heading into, let's get it right this time, Mark's Bike Life meet. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. I'm sure you don't want to see me filling up. Right, there we go. I managed to let it run pretty low again. Got down to 11 miles left. So off we go. Cheers, buddy. He knows the score. So now I'm just heading into Mark's Bike Life meet, and it's Monday. I'm not even 100% certain it's on, but I needed to fill this GS with fuel, but I had to give it a ride first and get it charged and warmed up, because it's not turned a wheel in a few weeks. Although I actually started, no bother. So we're all good to go again. Filter with the good stuff there. The E5, is it? Yeah, E5. The expensive petrol. Just in case it's sitting over winter, which I don't think it will be. I'll be riding this more than I will the Honda. The Honda's actually spotless at the minute. I gave it a good thorough deep clean, and I've got a video still to shoot where I use something that's a lot cheaper than ACF 50, is it? So I've got that still to shoot. It's a product from Turtle Wax, and it's pretty cheap. It's a lot easier to work with. It's very easy to apply, and I missed the gear there. It's like I'll shoot that in the next couple of days. And this is what I've done to all the bikes I've owned so far that I have ridden in the winter. Although I use this stuff all year round, just on the paint normally. Paints and plastics. Just passing the Emirates Arena. And there's Celtic Football Park. But there's no football on tonight, because there's international football on at the moment. And it's official as of yesterday, Scotland will be in Germany next summer. So allegedly there's 5 million Scots going over. My missus has said she wants to go. I said go, feel free. I'm not the hugest football fan, I'm sure I've said that before in the past. So not sure how many will be at this tonight, if it's even on, but I thought I'd swing by anyway and check it out. And if nobody's there, doesn't matter, because I've gave the bike a ride, gave it a run. Oh, my feet are a bit chilly. Got my held sports boots on at the minute. My Alpine Stars Gore-Tex ones are in my work. There's always something I forget. Oh, there's a couple of helmets. Motorcycle helmets. Lids, there we go, lids. That's why everybody calls them lids. So you don't have to use the word helmet a lot. So no, it's getting dark pretty early now. It's 6:15 at the minute, and it'll be dark in the next 15 minutes, I guarantee. What are you doing? Fucking idiot. Right across a zebra crossing. Cheers. Cheers, pal. Right. Hey folks, hope you're all well. I spoke about this in a short vid out in the bike. I had camera battery issues that night. I'd went out with a flat battery, can you believe it? Oh, you probably can't even see me there. So I've got this to put on the bike. It's a turtle wax product, which I'm actually unsure that they even still sell, but they'll do an equivalent. There's other companies out there that will do similar stuff. I'll just read what it says in the label to you. It's a sealant hydrophobic wax, super hydrophobic. Synthetic sealants used with carnauba wax for super hydrophobic finish. And it's just a squishy bottle. An atomizer. It's in, so you just spray it onto a cloth and wipe. The bike is thoroughly clean. I've absolutely cleaned it to an inch of its life before doing this. I spent about 2 hours cleaning it actually, thoroughly, underneath, ins and outs everywhere. So you just basically spray onto your cloth. You can't spray directly into the bike. Little bolt heads and stuff won't do any harm, just to give them a good squish. And just go over it with the cloth, microfiber cloth, or even an old t-shirt, whatever you've got lying around. This is actually my last microfiber. I had a bag of about a dozen, and my dad keeps using them for rags. There's a bin bag there full of old t-shirts of mine. He steals my microfiber for rags. So, that's a pain. So basically spray everything metal, just give it a wipe over. Even I give it the header pipes a coat of it. Certainly won't do any harm. sure you get the picture. So, do it in stages, do it all at once, but do it. It'll definitely help your bike overall, condition wise, which means you'll get more for it when you go to sell it, which is always better. Even around the controls, spray your levers, anything metal, anything plastic, just give it a coat. A couple of these little bits of plastic have gone a bit like greyish, so this just injects a bit of, can't think of the word, a wax into the plastic. It embeds the wax into the plastic, there we go, making it all shiny again, like new. So no, it's good stuff. It's easy to apply, that's why I like it. I've used it in cars for years. My car could do with a coat, but I've not done it the last couple of years. Bikes have sort of took over for me. So I shall crack on and move on to the other side. I'll grab the camera in a second. You can see how sort of shiny everything comes up. So there we have it. So peace out folks, take it easy, and cheers for watching. I might get a ride in this week again, hopefully. I've Jack Frost buggers off. Take care, cheers.